I'm Flora Forager, also known as Bridget, which is my real name. And I've had a lot of video requests for how I make flower crowns using bobby pins. And it's really easy. It's kind of self-explanatory. But basically you take a flower and a bobby pin and you pin it on your head, your hair, and then you take another bobby pin and you cinch that bobby pin down. So I'll try to. You're basically making an X with the bobby pins over the stem of the flower. And then I basically just keep adding flowers until it looks right. So these are roses from my garden. All these flowers today are from my garden. This one is Evelyn. She smells just like a peach. And this is a French rose. I don't know the name of it. It was growing here before I moved in. It smells amazing and has tons of flowers. This is a pansy. This is bellflower and lavender. Let's see, right there. And then if you don't like the stems in the back, see how this is kind of long? You can trim them and then add more flowers going backwards, like that, or to the side. And it sort of creates a more polished look. I don't always do that because I'm just making images for Instagram usually. If I'm going somewhere, then I'll make it a little more polished. This is California poppy and some chamomile. See everything. Cinch that down. These are some weeds. They're kind of like dandelions. I don't know the name of them. I love the names of weeds. They're like something like tuftwort. I don't know what it is. I'll figure it out and maybe put the name in the comments. And then you just keep adding around your head until you have it exactly how you like it. You can sort of play around if you want. I always like having something that's like really precious and little, kind of near my eye. And when you have bigger things, like these two big roses, it's nice to sort of put little things nearby, you know, just sort of makes them look bigger and makes it seem more delicate. Anyway, yeah. That would go behind like that. See, like you can even just sort of tuck it and then cinch it so that it hides the stems. And I'd add more. In fact, I'd probably I'd add more here and maybe more around the back, but that's the general idea. And that's it. Then I'll usually just take a picture and show you guys. That's how you make a flower crown.